Let me ask you a question. How does the infinite God create a finite world? What does one God mean? How do we understand it? What are its implications? How does it impact upon us? The Alter Rebbe depicts the creation and the reality of the world in an entirely new light. It seems that the physical object that we perceived as solid is in fact a pulsating divine energy. The Hebrew word for you is atah, spelt Aleph, Taf, Hey. Aleph is the first letter of the Hebrew alphabet. Taf is the last. From Aleph to Taf are the totality of the letters from which the 10 utterances are composed. What is the purpose of creation? In the heavens above and upon the earth below, there is no other Ein Od. The world is being brought into existence at every instance. It is not an automatic, self-driven entity. The infinite exists within the finite. Follow me on a journey that I think might just change your life.